Chinese makers have been putting forth telephones with every metal outline for a few ages now, yet Samsung has been eased back to join it into its Galaxy J arrangement. The J7 2016 included a metal casing and a plastic back, and with the J7 Pro, we are at long last getting an aluminum unibody plan. Furthermore, it looks extraordinary. The receiving wire groups are situated at the best and base of the gadget, and they make an example that gives the J7 Pro an unmistakable style with regards to the plan. The groups additionally offer a decent difference to the general shading plan, especially with the gold shading alternative. The telephone has sizable bezels at the best and base, yet Samsung completed a great job of limiting the side bezels. There's a home fasten front with an implanted unique mark sensor, and like a year ago's Galaxy S7, you can two-fold press the catch to rapidly dispatch the camera. The power catch is situated on the right, and the volume catch is on the left, and each of the three catches have fair material input. The 3.5mm jack is at the base, beside the micro USB charging port. An ever-increasing number of makers are changing out to USB-C in this fragment. However, Samsung was hesitant to move to the new standard for its leads until this year, so it would seem that we'll need to hold up until 1 year from now to see USB-C ports on the organization's spending gadgets. In a fascinating planned decision, the speaker is situated beside the power catch. The speaker gets adequately boisterous, and its position implies you won't incidentally cover it when holding the telephone. Something else the J7 Pro gets right is the SIM card plate. Dissimilar to most telephones in this section, the J7 Pro has devoted openings for 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card.